What's up, people? Today we're going to be doing a review of the LaMetric Time Connected Smart Clock right after this. What's up, everybody? If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So for everybody that has already subscribed, I want to thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. So what we have today is the LaMetric Time Smart Connected Clock for home and business. Now I'm going to be using this. You're going to be seeing a lot of this clock. It's going to be right here, and you see where that hat is. It's going to be right there in the back, and I'm going to use it to track my subscribers. But there's a lot more you can do with this clock, so let's get into it. So you open the app and you're presented with this screen. I'm only using the two apps right now, the weather and the subscribe account. But if you go to the market, you can see all these different apps that are available. Let me put the camera on the actual clock so you can see it. Move this camera down a little bit. Alright, so this is the clock here. This is showing my subscribe account. So right now I'm at 958. Hopefully by the time you see this video, I will be at 1,000. If you're watching this video right now and I'm past 1,000 subscribers, drop the 1K down in the comments. So you see it goes back and forth from my subscribe account to the weather, but I can put other things on here. So let me show you an example. So let's see what else. Let me go back to my home screen. So I'm going to put the clock on, and you see this is the clock, how that looks. The lines at the bottom are an indication for which day you're on. So right now we're on Wednesday. That's pretty cool. You can have a radio. So this actually has speakers on it. I'm pretty sure they don't sound that well, but you have your timer. So let's go back to the app. So you go to the marketplace. Let me just give you a quick rundown of which apps are available. So you see they have one for your subscribers on YouTube. You can track your followers on Instagram. You can track your likes on Facebook. You can have your news scroll for any late breaking news. Like it's just so much stuff you can use this for. Now the price of this is a little bit expensive. It is $200. It's a little bit more advanced than just your average alarm clock. But with that being said, I do think it's a little bit pricey. And now if you go into different categories, you can see they have health, fitness, social, gaming, smart home. You can actually get alerts for any type of notifications you get. Maybe like you have an email come through, you can link it with your Gmail and you'll get an alert on the screen. If you're a business owner, this would be really cool because you can have it on your front counter or in a window and display personal messages. There's a lot of stuff you could do with this. Get really creative with it. And the good thing is it integrates with a lot of different apps. So the possibilities are pretty much endless. So didn't want to let this video go off too long, but just want to give y'all a quick look at it, see if it's anything you might be interested in. If it's something you think you might want to take a look at, I'll have the link down in the description for this. Again, this is $199. I got this from Amazon. So if you want to, check it out. Again, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions about this product, just drop them down in the description. I try my best to get to every comment. And again, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everybody so far, and everybody that's new, welcome to the fam. Alright, I'll check you out the next time. Peace out.